What's driving the screaming momentum on Bitcoin's chart on the way to 100K? Stick around to find out on this week's Bitcoin News Update. Hi, I'm Nate Martin with this week's Bitcoin News Update. Bitcoin's recent surge, driven by $62.9 billion in capital inflows over 30 days, highlights growing institutional interest. U.S. spot ETFs absorbed 90% of sell-side pressure from long-term holders, according to Glassnode. Its report places Bitcoin's capitalization above silver and Saudi Aramco, with a 61.3% quarterly rise, far surpassing gold's 5.3% and silver's 8%. Between October 8th and November 13th, long-term holders sold 128,000 Bitcoin, yet institutional demand was able to sustain the momentum. Analysts note that cycles lasting 4 to 11 months often bring upward price trends, but caution investors to keep an eye on rising sell-side pressure as profits grow. Stablecoin inflows surged by $9.7 billion, underscoring speculative demand. ETFs averaging $1 to $2 billion weekly stabilized markets, though long-term holders' sell-offs now outpace ETF inflows, signaling potential consolidation. But on Thursday, Bitcoin ETFs saw a new milestone as they brought $1 billion in inflows for the day, with BlackRock's IBIT fund dominating with more than $608 million, followed by Fidelity's FBTC with nearly $301 million, and ARK Invest and 21 Shares ARK B fund adding more than $17 million. These movements bring total Bitcoin ETF inflows to more than $30 billion since January 11th, with daily trading volumes of more than $7 billion. Thursday's milestone followed just one day after Bitcoin ETFs surpassed $100 billion in net market value, as Bitcoin's price soared to its then all-time high of more than $95,000. But Bitcoin's relentless climb continued through Thursday, reaching just $500 shy of the $100,000 mark early Friday morning, and then hitting $99.6 on Friday afternoon in the U.S., driven by robust institutional demand and growing retail enthusiasm. BTC Market's Rachel Lucas remarked Bitcoin is cementing its position as digital gold. It's the institutional interest that remains a key driver, with ETFs bolstering Bitcoin's reputation as a reliable store of value. Add that to renewed market confidence after the re-election of pro-Bitcoin President Donald Trump, along with what looks to be a more Bitcoin-friendly incoming U.S. Congress, and bullish Bitcoin sentiment remains sky high. On a personal note, I wanted to address a recent comment which asked about 99 Bitcoins. A number of months ago, I released a video that explained my relationship with that company and exactly why I decided to not produce content for them anymore, and why I'm now doing this channel as a solo endeavor. Be sure to check out that link, and I look forward to seeing your comments for that. I also got this note last week that seems to assume that I wrote my dirty little Bitcoin secrets. Nope, not me either. Ophir Bagel wrote that, along with being the founder and creator of what was 99 Bitcoins. That's it for this week's Bitcoin News Update. If you've enjoyed the episode, make sure to leave a thumbs up, consider subscribing to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next video.